Hey guys, it's Jolene here from the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. So, I have a whole bunch of sewing stuff here, and then I teach all the small business stuff that could help you grow your business and grow your business in particular on YouTube. And in today's video is going to be one of those business videos. So this last week I was listening to this amazing, basically speech, training thing from a guy named Dan Martell, who is a Canadian and is like a business coach. He's wickedly smart. And he was talking about some trainings that he took years ago from Naval. I'm going to say his last name and probably butcher it. Ravikant. Anyway, Naval had a book that he wrote a while ago that is the Almanac. And basically it has the 4 C's of leverage broke down into this book. And I mean, these guys are talking like high end, like, multi-billion and $1,000,000 businesses. And I was like, but wait a second here. We could apply those same principles to starting our own small business, like my sewing business here, and just put these things into place and practice them. So I'm going to break them down here for you on this video. And if you guys love stuff like this, please hit subscribe and hit the bell button, because if you don't hit the bell button, you don't get notified. And a lot of my subscribers do not have bell button notifications turned on. And I can see that in my YouTube analytics. So hit the bell. Okay, so the first thing that he talks about is capital, then code, then content, then community. But I'm going to mix it up a bit because this is more directed at the YouTube community. And so I'm going to say to you guys, the first thing that you should start doing is creating content. Content. The more content you put out, the more likely you are going to get seen. And if you listen to Alex Mosey, he says, put out 100 pieces of content a day. And if that's not working, put 1,000 pieces of content out a day. But what I want you guys to try is to try just putting it on YouTube instead of focusing on Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or TikTok, anywhere like that, because YouTube is a searchable platform. It's like a library. People can come back to the content year after year after year. And in 10, 20, 30 years from now, if you've made a good video that is relevant to somebody, the video will still pop up. And then I encourage you to share that content from YouTube onto other platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, which you can easily do with an app called Tailwind. I'll put my affiliate link in the video description. I'll put Naval's book in there too. All the things, they'll be in there. So you can create content inexpensively. I often create content just videotaping on my iPhone. I do have a tripod with a ring light and another tripod. I can, I'll make an Amazon list for all the, gadgets here in my office, and I'll link them to this video as well. So anything that you need that I've told you in this video, there'll be a link for it. If I'm an affiliate for it, I earn a small commission. Thank you for doing that. It helps support the channel. But you need content. You can do videos, books, podcasts. Even YouTube has a podcast feature right now. YouTube has course features that are, if they're not up right now, they're going to be coming up. YouTube has auto dubbing, so this video will be automatically dubbed into like hundreds of different languages, I guess, right now. Yay, thank you for YouTube. Okay, so create your content about whatever you want to do. I like sewing. So my content is often about sewing or teaching about how to have a small business. And because I like it and I'm interested in it, I am more likely to create more content and stick with it because it's not hard for me. So pick something that you already know and like to make it easier for yourself. Now, if you're not sure how to create the content and you're just stuck, use what everybody else is using. It's called AI. I use ChatGPT a lot, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this right now. It's pretty simple. So we're going to go to ChatGPT. I've just Googled it, ChatGPT. Put it in a browser, and this page comes up. And now we're going to hit try ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it write me, be specific, me a video script. Good golly, if I could type, that would help. For how to start a YouTube channel. Okay, we're just going to hit the arrow. And now ChatGPT is going to write the script for you. So the video title, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025, step-by-step guide for beginners. Here's your hook. And they're going to have it all broke down here for you. Pick your channel topic. Okay, look at this. Do you love crafting? Didn't I just say I love sewing, cooking, gaming, fitness? Maybe you have a skill or a hobby that you want to share, or you just want to vlog about your life. This is how they're telling you to cover the video. Step 2, set up your YouTube channel. Sign into YouTube with a Google account. You can use your email address for this. Create a channel. Add a name to your channel. You put a profile picture up there. Write a short bio. Done. Great. Your channel's live. Create your first video. Introduce yourself. Be friendly. Be approachable. Tell people, real life things about your life. Like right now, my nose is itchy. And my office isn't very clean behind me. And I don't care anymore because I'm just going to create content repeatedly on YouTube that is helpful for other people. And some people are going to like me and some people are not going to like me. And that's okay. So step 3 is going to be create your first video. Say something you love doing. Step 4 is going to be to edit your video. They're even telling you how to do it. CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie. On your phone, you can use CapCut or InShot. Basic edits, cut out your mistakes, add text and music, keep it engaging, no long pauses. And I highly recommend, if you can, videotape everything in 4K. There's a little setting on your phone where you can, up in the top right corner, instead of it being 1080, I think it is, then you click on it and you can switch it to 4K. People love 4K videos. And then you can put that in your title. Okay, step 5, optimize your videos. You can create a catchy thumbnail in Canva, use keywords in your descriptions, add relevant tags, and stay consistent. And this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so then I can ask ChatGPT, great, give me 5 more videos on this topic. Hit enter. Let's see what happens. Glad you liked it. Okay, here's 10 mistakes YouTubers make. I could make any of these videos. How to get your first 100 subscribers fast. Best in YouTube equipment for beginners. I just told you guys I was going to share my, make an Amazon list here for all my video stuff here. YouTube SEO for beginners, how to rank, bonus tips, Super easy. So don't be afraid of creating content all out of your own brain. Use the tools that we are given. It is 2025. There is technology that will help you guys out. So I highly recommend using ChatGPT to do it. Okay, so now we've got our code, and now we're building our loyal audience of people that follow us. I never imagined I'd have 4,400 subscribers, but here we are. And the next thing we can do to leverage the 4 C's of leverage is capital. So I've started making money off of YouTube. I just got monetized on this channel last month. So in a few days from now, when the numbers come in, I will make a video about how much money I actually made in the first month on YouTube. It's bananas. I started making money on YouTube. Yay! Thanks, guys. Anyway, so I'm going to use my money to invest in EFTs, which are typically a higher dividend payout. And then I have my system automatically set up to reinvest my dividends. I'm using an app called Wealthsimple. I'll put my friends and family link in the description if you guys want to sign up for it. If you do sign up for Wealthsimple, you will automatically be eligible for your own friends and family link. So share the love, and I will cover off more of my investment stuff on my other channel that I started a couple months ago called 50 and Fearless. That's where I will get more into the actual how I'm investing my money and all kinds of things I think about life. So I know that I have a craft channel, and I know that there's a lot going on in the world right now, but I just wanted to say to you guys that I'm going to make it very clear, because I think we all need to start taking a stand about some things. What is going on with the tariffs and the United States and Canada fighting, and the just blatant disrespect that's coming out of the administration from the United States against, like, essentially the entire world. Most of us are not okay with it. I, in particular, am not okay with it. And I have had people say to me, you must leave politics out of business. And I say to them, Nay, nay. My parents and grandparents and great grandparents and aunts and uncles did not go fight a war so that I could sit in my pretty little house, and the only time I went outside was to stick my head in my own sandbox. This is not okay. If you think that this is okay, I'm probably not the channel to watch, because I am going to do whatever I can to help myself grow as a person, but to also share my knowledge here on my channel to basically encourage other people to start their own businesses. We are in desperate need of soulpreneurs, entrepreneurs on every level that are not involved with corporations, that are not all about greed and self-serving policies. So if you're here for that, drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys, and have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.